How to fix unable to install update on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, if you are having a trouble installing the iOS 18 update on your iPhone, you are in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to fix unable to install update error in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A weak or unstable connection can cause installation issues. Go to your settings, tap on Wi-Fi and ensure you are connected. Next, let's check if you have enough space on your device. Go to settings and then tap on general and select iPhone storage. You need to have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space to install the update. If you are low on space, consider deleting some unused apps or files. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. Press and hold the power button until you see the slider. Then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. If you are still facing issues, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iTunes or consider resetting your network settings. Go to settings, tap on general and then reset and select reset network settings. Remember, this will erase saved Wi-Fi password, so be prepared for re-enter them. That's it for today. I hope this step helped you fix the installation issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips. And I'll see you in the next video.